Tashi Delek Snake Signs. Let's see your May month's energy. So starting of the May month, okay, you are starting something new, the starting of the May month. Okay, so I think you have already started, or you are thinking to start this journey. Okay, this is a beautiful journey and you're very excited about this. Okay, so this is about maybe about your relationship, or about your health journey, or health and fitness journey, or this can be about your career path. Okay, whatever this is, you are starting something new and you are very excited about this journey. Okay, or you are taking some trip, maybe, and you are following your passion step by step, and this looks very good. So you are taking it slowly but steady. This is going to be very good for your future, and I think you are going to make a lots of money and prosperity. You are attracting prosperity from this journey. Okay, and about the mid of the May month, okay, yes, you have something in your mind that you want to do. Okay, you are thinking about this a lot, I think. So you're planning about this, you have some plans. Okay, so but you for this planning to happen, you have to go through some difficulties. I think you have to deal with your parents, family members, or surroundings, or something. Okay, you have to deal with them to go through this planning, okay, which you have. So but you have courage to deal with this situation in the May month. Okay, around the mid of the May month. Okay, so around the end of the May month, what's there waiting for you? Okay, so your energy looks very positive, happy. Finally you're feeling very light, happy, childlike energy, or you are going to have some trip, travel, or visit some beautiful places, and you are enjoying this moment. Okay, and finally you are gaining lots of name, fame, success, whatever you're working, and you're going to get noticed by people. Okay, so you might get some awards, or people are praising you for your beautiful work. Okay, whatever you have worked. So that's beautiful energy for the May month. I hope this reading resonated with you, and claim this positive energy in the comment section. I'll see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching.